We are learning a new tense in French. We've learned past tense a little bit. We've been using present tense a lot, and now we're going to learn the near future. It's basically future tense, but as you get farther along in French 2 and 3 and so forth, you'll start to learn there's like many different versions of future and versions of present and versions of past. And we're learning in French 1 now just the near future, something that's about to occur. And it uses the verb aller, to go. The formula here to express near future is the verb aller conjugated, and then the whatever verb that's about to happen in the infinitive form, and that is the near future. It's actually the exact same in English if you think about it. Let's look at some examples. I want to say Natalie is going to swim. Nathalie va nager. So here I have the verb aller conjugated to match Natalie, who is the one doing the action, and so aller is kind of like the helper verb here, and then nager is the action. The thing that she's doing is swimming, and that verb is in the infinitive, in the unconjugated form. Nathalie va nager. Aller is conjugated. The infinitive verb, the action verb, is left in the infinitive. Next, they, or Paul and Mark, are going to play tennis. Paul et Marc vont jouer au tennis. So here's the verb aller conjugated to match Paul and Mark, or ils. They're going to play tennis. So as you can see here, it's the same in English actually, as it is in French here. So we say she is going to swim. Aller means to go. Is going is conjugated. That we see is and going. When we see that, it tells us it's happening right now. It's conjugated in the present, and then to swim is the infinitive form of that verb to swim. To play tennis, so forth. Nous allons rester à la maison. We're going to rest at the house. We, and then here's the verb aller conjugated to match our subject, nous. And the action that's being taken place here is that they're staying, and rester is that verb, and it remains in the infinitive. Sylvie ne va pas écouter le concert. Sylvie is not going to listen to the concert. Here's an example of how we use this in the negative. The first verb, the aller, that's conjugated in the present tense, is in the negative sandwich. The second verb, the action one that's in the infinitive, hangs out right after the negative sandwich. Sylvie ne va pas écouter le concert. She is not going to listen to the concert. And that's that.